Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the road you're in. This is Chris again, the Watchdogs, coming in with another video review and unboxing. Now, this is going to be kind of a quick turnaround because I got to get these watches shipped out to the next reviewer. This came courtesy of Random Rob and Random Rob's Discord group, guys. Great group of guys on there. Gotten to see a lot of cool watches because of that group, so pretty cool if you think about joining. I'm not sure if there's any more spots on there or not, but appreciate Random Rob for setting this tour up. Quick wristwatch check, just lounging around the house, getting ready to go to work for the evening here in a little while. So I'm deep wearing the Casio W217. Look for a full review of this watch. I've actually been wearing this watch a lot lately, guys. Pretty cool, fun little watch for 20 bucks. Wears really light. It's actually been getting a little bit more wear time than G-Shock as of lately. But anyways, on to these watches. These watches, I believe, are on Kickstarter right now, and these are what I would call like a Datejust homage. So if you're looking for that Datejust look, or you're looking for like a nice kind of everyday kind of dress kind of weird, these are definitely the watches for you. Now, again, I will leave links down to everything down below. And again, like I said, these are definitely pretty cool watches, especially for what you get for what they are. The only thing I'm not a big fan of personally, that's just personal. Everything, as you know, in YouTube is subjective, or everything is in the watch world is subjective. I'm just not a big fan of the Conquer name. That's about the only thing I don't like about these watches. But other than that, if you can get past that, these are really great, clean pieces for what you get for the price and everything. One has of course, there's two different versions. One is a Swiss Ronda, and then the other is a Citizen Miota. And I will go over the desktop and show you the different specs and everything like that. I'll show you what they look like on the wrist, give you a limit shot there towards the end, guys, all the usual stuff. But again, like I said, if you're looking for something kind of like a nice everyday kind of dressy sporty piece, because you could throw the NATO on these as well. This definitely fit the bill, guys, and at a fraction of the price, it'll stay a Datejust. So anyways, guys, we'll go to the tabletop, or the desktop, excuse me, and I'll show you the watch in question. Now, these watches came by way via Dane over at Celine Driver, guys. I'll leave a link down to his channel as well down below. So go over, be sure you give him some love. Tell him the Watchdogs sent you. Be sure to go over, like, subscribe to his channel, guys. He does plenty of great content. Talks college football if you're into that. He talks racing, I believe. He talks all kind of different watch topics, of course, watch reviews. And I will specify for Dane, I took these out of the box, so I kind of cheated a little bit this time around. So there's no snafus this time around, Dane. And those of you that watch know what I mean. But anyways, Dane, thanks for sending these over and getting them over pretty quick, guys. But again, these are pretty cool. I would consider them Datejust homages. And of course, there are two slight differences on the different models. As you can see, one is a quartz, and then the other is an automatic. Now, the quartz version utilizes a Swiss Ronda quartz, which is pretty cool, pretty accurate quartz, guys. And again, you can see the white dial, kind of a clean kind of look overall. These are about 40 millimeters. They are 20 millimeter lugs, so if you want to swap out to different NATOs, make it kind of a casual look, or if you want to swap out to a leather strap, make it kind of a dressy look. Pretty nice options there. The clasp, pretty nice. The action on the clasp is pretty good, guys. Now, I do believe on Kickstarter right now, these Swiss Ronda versions are $179, $175, I believe, which is really good. Here's a shot of the case back, guys. For everything that you get, I feel like that's a good price, especially for the quality of this. Definitely good quality, guys. Like I said, the only thing I don't like about it is the name, but that's just me personally, guys, so it may not bother you. And again, this is a clean dial here on the quartz. It's got their symbol here, which is pretty cool. You can see clean bezel here, crown right here at the 3 o'clock. You see the date window. And again, for 175 bucks for Swiss Ronda quartz movement, that's not that bad at all. It is only about 11 millimeters thick, and this is both of these options here, guys, I am showing you are prototypes. So there are going to be a few changes to the actual production model. And again, both of these are 10 atmospheres, 10 ATM of water resistance. So plenty of water resistance for what we need. These are considered kind of dressy watches. So we're not really going to take these swimming. I mean, you probably can, but you're not really going to take them diving, swimming, anything like that, guys. So if you get them a little bit wet, no problem there. And again, it is a sapphire crystal. And again, overall, pretty clean look. Now, I will show you what it looks like on the, again, I will do a loom shot at the end of the video. Now this automatic version uses a Miyota movement, 2019 I believe, which I believe these are on Kickstarter right now for $375, guys. I will leave a link down below. And Rob, also over at Random Rob, also has a code. I believe if you use Random 20, you can get a leather strap with these. And again, the same specifications on the automatic as the manual. They will go a little bit thinner, I do believe, on the final production model. And if you saw Rob's video, he did mention that they will have they'll have that balance wheel to show in the movement on the final production model. So it's pretty cool that you get to turn around and you see that Miyota movement. So for somebody that's buying their first nice watch from a micro brand, or somebody that's buying their first, watch in general, that's pretty cool to be able to see the movement. Again, you can see the Conqueror, the symbol on the dial. Overall, pretty clean look. Automatic, 100 meters. Clean indices, guys. The indices on this dial are pretty clean. Of course, the date window over here at the 3 o'clock, just like on the other one. Overall, like I said, if you're looking for kind of an alternative to a Datejust and you don't want to spend that Datejust Rolex, Datejust kind of money, definitely look at these. And like I said, for a Miyota movement, you can't really go wrong. And if you want just something kind of like a grab and go, if you're like me and you don't really dress up a lot or have the need for a dress watch, definitely go with this guy over here on the right with the Swiss. I do like the white dial, and the blue dial is pretty killer too. So like I said, overall pretty cool option if you don't want to spend that Datejust kind of money, or even if you want to test drive the look of a Datejust and you're not sure if you want to spend that money on a Datejust, go ahead and buy this guy over here on the right, the Swiss Ronda version, for $175, $179, guys. You can't really go wrong. You test drive the look, and then if you do eventually want to get the Rolex, go for it. But I will show you what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist, guys. I'll take off the Casio. Now, overall, definitely a clean look. I would definitely have to take off a few links, but here's what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist, guys. Overall, pretty clean look. The hardware on the bracelet's really good, guys. I would definitely give this an 8, 9 out of 10. Like I said, the only thing I'm not a big fan of is the name, but I do appreciate Kim for letting these in, letting the group check them out, guys. Really nice of them. Definitely check this out. Like I said, if you're looking for kind of an alternative to a Datejust and you don't want to pay the prices, or if you're looking for something to kind of test drive the look, if you're not sure you want to spend that kind of money on a Datejust. Anyways, guys, this has been Chris, the Watch Lens, with another unboxing review. Thanks to Random Rob's Discord group for setting this up. Thanks, Rob. Thanks, Dave, for setting this up. And if you guys haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell as I do come out with reviews and unboxings on the daily like this. Note the topic videos and all that good stuff, live streams, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.